So most welcome this channel Python Scope. You have new channel for this Python Scope. Press the bell icon, subscribe button, and you knowledge it basic to high level Python programming language. Python is a very simple and easy learning language. 100% guarantee. I have learned this. So question write down. Write a program input a leap year and then not leap year. We have input a leap year and then not leap year program. So very easy in Python languages. So we start computer screen. Get start. Year year is equal to int which means integer. Input the year, enter the year, enter the year. And now next line, if year modulus 4, which leap year is all 4 by 4, which means that 2016 is leap year, 2020 is leap year, and 2024 is leap year. So is modulus 4 and double equal to 0 colon print leap year, print leap year, print leap year. Else we have else and I have semicolon. This else is start back automatically in Pycharm editor. So we now yes, else write down left side and then print no leap year. You are new for this channel, so channel subscribe now and press the bell icon. So get notification for all Python basic to high level programming, and you find print no leap year only 1 2 3 4 5 lines, and we will get output this leap year programming. Enter the year. So enter the year 2020 leap year. Yes, 2020 is leap year. And one and output, enter the year 1996 leap year, 1996 leap year. One output and more 2000 is also leap year, and one output is not leap year. Watch now this Python Scope channel. 2003 no leap year. So one output, enter the leap year, I 2022 no leap year. So thanks for watching and hit the like button, get more notification.